welcome back to my channel. My name is Khaleesi, and today's video will be about HAIRVIVI's Debbie wig. So with that being said, let's head right into the video.
Hey guys, so in these clips I'm just opening up the box from HAIRVIVI. It comes with a little paper on the top that says HAIRVIVI. The texture is beautiful. I fell in love with it once it came out the box. Gorgeous. It did come with a hairnet, and it did have some instructions inside. And you can see that it comes with the cap, some clips, rat tail comb, and this wig is also bleached knots. It came with bleached knots and the elastic band, because who does not love the elastic band? I'm just flipping the hair over so you can see it fully. I fell in love with this wig, you guys. It is so beautiful and it was so soft.
This question is like pretty simple because my cheap self got it on sale. I mean, everything's better on sale. In this case, it was a good purchase. I spent $224 US. I can't really tell you the exchange rates right now because it was different than what I bought it for. Anyway, so it was different, of course. You know, the rates were different when I first bought it, which isn't bad. And like, I didn't mind spending the money because I was just like, you know what, I watched like a 1-2 videos, like it should be fine, like whatever. Now I'm gonna quickly go into, you know, the specs of the hair. So like I said before, it is called the Debbie Wet and Wavy Wig. It's 16 inches and I got it in the Indian version hair, the natural color and 150 density. With bleach knots, of course, and the additional elastic band because my head is small as hell. I placed the order on November 22nd of 2018 and I got it with free shipping on December 5th, 2018. I'm gonna quickly go into the pros and cons. Pros and cons, okay? Yeah. Anyway, so the pros, free shipping. Gotta love free shipping. Why are we not in focus? Ah, there we go. Free shipping. Then I gotta be like, it's realistic and versatile. Ooh, I got it on sale, $60 off. And then it didn't have any like weird funky ass smell. Cons, the back of the lace where you don't really see anything, which is not that bad, but I did want to mention that it was over bleached because it was like kind of orange. Anyways, as for the quality of the hair, it is beautiful. I still have the wig. Yes, I still have the wig. The only thing is that I messed it up really badly to the point where I can barely wear it. Like, I remember I was in a rush to go somewhere and I blow dried the wig. The lace started to melt, right? So once it starts melting, I messed up. Yep, I messed up and I got holes in my lace, okay? So other than it looking very freaking real and after some plucking and, you know, trying to restyle, like I was just like, oh my god, what did I do? What did I do? Oh my god, I loved that wig. That wig looked like my hair on steroids. The Debbie wig is perfect for the summer, so I mean, if you're trying to do like a little bob thing, like it's definitely for you. And with that being said, everybody have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you for tuning in.